everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel we share legal information and resources to help you know the law and to know your rights. On today's topic, I'm going to be showing you how to check if a company status is active or if it's inactive, or better still, if that company is in existence. You want to go into business, for example, you want to go into business with another company and you don't know the company status, or you registered your company for a while now and you don't know what the status is. You might want to watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put on your notification bell so each time I post a video you get notified. Make sure you share this video to your friends, your family, and even your enemies. You never know who might be needing this information. So let's just jump right onto it. Okay, so you turn on your browser, whatever browser you're using, you type cac.gov.ng and then you press enter, and then the CAC portal will appear. If you see the CAC portal, then you click on public search. When you click on public search, the search engine will appear. This is what it looks like. Then in this case we're just going to type purple because I don't have any particular company in mind, and then a list of companies that have the name purple or have a resemblance. You can see limited partnership, you can see incorporated trustee companies. You see that the first company is active. It was registered November 27, 2020. And then we have the second company, which is inactive. You can see where they wrote visit CAC and update your status. What that means is that the company has not filed its annual returns, so they need to do that at the Corporate Affairs Commission. And then we see business name and incorporated trustees. Whatever category of company you're checking, you can click on it and then type the name of the company and it will come out. If it doesn't show, that means it is not on the CAC register. But do not be afraid, do not lose hope. There is another way you can also check for it. You would have to file your annual returns depending on when the company was registered. You see view paid service. That way you can see some of the directors of the company or some of the shareholders. I think this is I think it costs like 1,000 to do this particular one, but there's another search you can also apply for apart from this one to see who the directors and shareholders is. Another way you can check for your company is you go to ng.check.com and then it will appear. You click on it, the first one, and then you type the name of the company. In this case we're just going to type sugar because I'm sweet, and then you'll see other companies related to sugar will come out. You can see the company, you see the company name, you see the registered address, you see who the directors are and the shareholders. Sometimes this might not be accurate. It's just to check, just to be sure that the company actually does exist. This is a bonus point for after checking CAC. You might just still want to check just to be sure that the guys, I want to just briefly share with you the implications of not filing annual returns as at when due. Now, number one, CAC can deactivate your business name if you don't file annual returns for a long time. Number two, you cannot get a government contract if your company status is inactive. Number three, you might get a visa rejection if your company status is inactive. Number four, every year that you don't file annual returns as at when due, it attracts a penalty. So the longer you stay to file annual returns, the more money you have to pay. Number five, the CAC can deregister or delist the company entirely from their register over a long period of time. Hey guys, we have come to the end of this video and I hope that this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and put on your notification bell so each time I post a video you get notified. If you have any questions, you want to leave it in the comment section. I'll see it and I'll respond to your messages. If you want me to do a video on a particular legal topic, you can leave it in the comment section and I will do a video on it. Until I see you guys next time, have a wonderful time.